Right, ladies and gents, on this video we're going to show you how to change your turbo on your RS turbo. Let's do this. One turbo. Hey. First of all, what we're going to do, remove this all out your way so we get better access. Take off your turbo pipe to your metering unit right there. Just move this dump valve out the way. So get that off from there, and then take that off from there. And then next we need to remove this dump valve completely, well, the bleed valve, which they've done to increase the boost from the actuator there and the turbo there. We have this pipe down here, what goes from the bottom of the turbo to the small baby intercooler there. Gonna remove that as well, and yeah, I'm gonna give these a quick wire brush down, because we're gonna need to undo this, and yeah, these just don't look very healthy, as you can see. And there's your dump valve with your bleed valve. I'm just tightening these on here so you don't lose them. But yeah, look at that, more access. And there's a telltale sign that the turbo's completely gone. Once we get the turbo out, anyway, we'll show you how knackered it is. So I've literally undone two 17mm nuts for the exhaust manifold. Anyways, it's kind of come off from there, as you can see, but I think we might take out the radiator, because we're going to take it out from the manifold all in one, because we can't undo these at the moment. So rather take the radiator out, we can always fill up the water and bleed the system after. And yeah, literally take this out in whole. We've got new gaskets anyway. I think it's going to be the easiest way. Right, I've undone this rusty bolt because we're going to get the radiator out. Might as well get the intercooler out, it's only a little baby. I've disconnected the fan there. So yeah, there's a nutter there, as you can see, for the intercooler and radiator. I'm going to undo there, and one down there. Top tip for you, for these old rusty bolts, just take it easy, slowly undo it, and then basically stop, tighten it back up, just to clean that thread off, you know, because yeah, you don't really want to snap them off. Yeah, they can be drilled out, but it just makes the job a bit longer, you know. So, oh, it feels tight there. Let's go back in, clean it up, just like that. Once that bolt's out, look at that. Freedom! From there, anyway. Great, got another rusty one over there. That's for the intercooler. But yeah, literally, the radiator's looking pretty free. Oh, lovely. Oh, nice. This one's nice and easy, thankfully. But yeah, we need to maneuver this rad out somehow. And there we have one intercooler. Slid it out from the bottom and literally comes out of there. Lovely. Look how cute that is. Oh my. Yeah, you might want to sort this out first. So as you know, we're taking this all apart. It'll be rude not to like clean it around here. But where did that used to live? I don't know. Right. So now the intercooler's out. Look at that. You've got that little bit more room to maneuver around. Yeah, a little bit fiddly. Would have helped if this bolt was out as well. Right, a bit of manoeuvrings around here, yeah. Look at that angling right there, yeah. And there, we're out from there. Lovely. Clean it up now. Right, literally, I tapped it down the little flange with a humber. No, I'm joking. Hammer. And I think, oh no, I can still feel something. Oh yeah, it's that oil feed there. Haven't taken that out, so yeah, we've got to remove that too. Let's just maybe put that back in position for now, because it's not completely removed because of that pipe there. Two options, well, one actually, because yeah, we're not going to undo it from there. Maybe undo it from this banjo here. You got space anyway, hopefully, to maneuver it, and yeah, undo it from there, and then we'll get that out of there. So here's the turbo. Had to undo it from there, which was down there. I did want to undo it from the block, but unfortunately some joker literally put the starter motor after they put that on. But yeah, hopefully we'll sort that out. Oh yeah, I was vegetarian friendly. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Nuts and gluten-free fruit nuggets. Don't get that here in UK.
Nuggets. Fucking nuggets.
So as I was telling you all, we will show you the turbo. Look at that play. This one no good, man, no good. Right, so far we've got the turbo out, as you can see. This bolt, that bolt there is accessible. That bolt there is accessible. That's being a bit difficult because this banjo, as you know, with these banjos, there being a bunch of banjos, they're not coming off. So yeah, need to find a solution. Right, can't get out of that last bolt, so I think we're going to use my best mate here. Depends if I can even get in there. But yeah, this is the other side banjo bolt. That's what happened to it, so you can imagine what's up with that one.
Need the banjo off.
Whoops.
What I'm saying is,
oh nice, that was full of rust anyway. Rust to rust, baby. Yeah, but end result, try grinding it, getting that off, smashing the banjo in, whatnot. End up smashing that down, and yeah, tried to hammer and chisel to get that off. A lot easier having it out of the car, obviously. But yes, end up managing just to get Spanier on here, so this should be free now. After fighting with it, Eureka, that's all we need. All that for this. Even the turbo elbow is being a bit of a nightmare. So, unfortunately, this is the wrong turbo. So yeah, back to the drawing board and get the right turbo. So, the turbo is giving problems. We picked up a few turbos already. Also, we're going to change the rad. Old versus new, well, part one. Another turbo in there as well, but needs rebuilding. So yeah, we can get moving, y'all. Here's one of the turbos we collected yesterday, because the other one was being a bit of a nightmare. And yeah, Lovely jubbly. Nice braided turbo drain feed there, because the other ones were kinking. Right, good to be putting it back together. Always a positive. Get this wee little bambino intercooler in place as well. Right, let's get the radiator in position. Maybe get the radiator in first even. Oh, we'll see. We shall see. Maybe going like that. Yeah, there you go. We're in. Right, while my brother's struggling to get the bottom oil feed back on because the gasket ended up falling off, what can I show you for now? We have one banjo on, thankfully, to the for the water feed, what was not connected before. And yeah, literally we had to go down the extremes of welding that up to hopefully try removing that for the top one, so we got water feed again. Yo, this is the method of madness we had to do, but we saved the banjo, yo. Jeez, excuse me for a minute please, bro. So where it didn't have the water line, we now have a nice lovely fresh water feed. Well, in a minute we will, you know. But yeah, man, here's your souvenir.
Thanks. Thanks so much.
Merry early Christmas.
That's exactly what I wanted. How did you know? I was looking for one of these.
Santa's my brethren. He already told me. So, yeah. Oh, let's get that in. Oh my.
Brand new banjo bolt.
Gosh. Lovely.
Got the bottom feed right here.
Properly done. So after all the banjo problems, I would say it is a relatively simple job to do this. Like, it's something that you can DIY. I'm sure all you RS Turbo guys and ladies have done this before, as considering that you got the right parts. But yeah, we've got the water feed system. All we need to do left, I would say, put that. Oh right, nice, that's back on. Happy days. Get the studs for that, for the downpipe. All the water lines are in position, like lovely. So yeah, I'm gonna literally put the charge pipe back on. I say that's this side done. Put the air filter on, might just do that now. Happy days. How could I forget your dump valve and bleed valve? That's pretty simple anyway. To the actuator, which is there, and this one I believe is turbo side. So yeah, gonna get that back on now. Alright, put this back on before you put the actual turbo pipe back on, because behind there is the turbo one and there's the actuator one. So yeah, get this on before you put the turbo one back on. Might just loosen it from there and just move it out of the way. Last but not least, let's get the charge pipe back on. Right, it's all in, as you can all see, thankfully. That's how you change the turbo, but we still got to obviously do that down there. And then we can't start it up just yet, because next we're going to show you how to replace the heater matrix inside of the vehicle. Right. The goodies have arrived, thankfully. So now we can finish this side up. That sounds like a beamer. Literally pop that into there. Oh, Oh damn. Yeah, we might need a magnet. That's gone into the...
You just dropped that down the exhaust.
I did.
Well done.
Right, exhaust downpipe's done. For temporary measures, like being supplied the wrong bolts, just want to basically get it running and see if there's any leaks or anything. We're going to do the matrix now, and then we'll start her up and show you all. I'd like to thank all you ladies and gents for supporting the channel and subscribing. Yeah, do you know what? That was the easiest option of us changing the turbo by getting other turbos and fitting it up straight from the manifold. Like, you need to do the easiest thing, right? And considering, because it's an old vehicle and you know how hard it is to get hold parts of that like that, that is the best option to do. And yeah, I hope you've liked this video, and please share it. Hit that subscribe button, please. We're still going for the 500 mark, and we'll give the giveaway once we achieve 500 subscribers. But yeah, keep tuned for the next one. The next video, we're going to show you how to change the heater matrix on your RS Turbo. Peace, love, bless my peoples.